Hey, what's up, friends? How are you all? Myself Shumadari here in India, right now 17 years old, creating a new video for you all. So, as you saw in the title, how to hire right people for your business. Yeah, you are in the right video. So, yeah, be till end and we will solve this problem. Yeah, so I will divide this video in certain steps and you will be easily able to understand how to do this process. Yeah, because having right people on your side is very important. Huh? Because if you will choose wrong people, they will even spoil more है ना they will either solving the problem they will increase the problem, so it is very important to have right people. So now first step, identify the bottleneck. Yeah, so for doing that you have to answer three questions from my side. So what are these three questions? Number one, what are my strengths and weaknesses? Number second, what are my team strengths and weaknesses? And number third, what type of hire will solve this bottleneck? And by answering these three questions, you will get some visibility that what you have to do, what type of people you have to hire. Yeah, what type of people you have to hire. So that is the second step. Identify the ideal candidate for your position. Yeah, so you can identify the ideal candidate by three steps again. What is the position you are filling for, and what is the experience they should have, and number third, what is their skill set है ना, what is their skill set. This is a very golden statement I'm going to give you. So watch it है ना. What is your work style? There are four work styles mainly. Are they people centric, or are they process focused, are they action oriented, or are they idea oriented है ना. So how you can identify, how you can get to know work style of a team. So for that there is a competency analysis of the team of that candidate. So I can do that for you, so you can contact me out, or I will maybe drop a video for that too है ना. So these are the steps by which you can know how to define that ideal candidate that you want to for your company. So we have completed the second step. So maybe this will give you some visibility that what type of hire you want for a company. So we have completed the second step. Now the third step came. Yeah, for that third step you should know, this is something the differentiating part. uh, is a candidate an ideal position for this position I'm filling for, or an agency is ideal, ideal one for this position है ना. Because in today's time some people, some businessmen are also going with agencies है ना, as you know. So because they have more skill set, more team of experts that are giving them value, so they are choosing agencies over individual. So how to know that what is good for you? So for knowing that, you should first know, should I need someone who should solely focus on my business only, है ना? And yeah, this is only specific part that you know, है ना? Because if you are, if you want to set up a certain department in your business, let's say you want to set up a branding and solution department in your company, you don't have till, but you know that it is very important for my company and I want to settle it up. I want to set it up. So, uh, is doing everything on yourself will be a good choice? I don't think so. So hiring an agency in this situation would be a good choice. Yeah, Bec- uh, if you are a team of very experienced people, so many people, so if then in that case you can hire a full department on your own. But according to me, you can go with an agency in this situation where you have to settle up a whole department in the company, or you need this task should be done by an individual of great skills, you know, of an agency of great skills. Then you should move with an agency, because agency would be able to give you the experience that an solely individual will not be able to give you. So yeah, agency can be a good choice, but you have to negotiate properly. You have to go through some metrics before moving with agency also, or an individual too, because the subject of the video is how to hire the good people for a company. How to hire good people can also be how to hire good agency also, because they can come in the same price. And pricing is not an issue here. The issue is you have to know who will be able to give value to me. Actually, at last, a businessman thinks that I will get value from this or not. You will invest $1 million, but you will see, will I get $2 million back? You will see. So this is very important to see value from where value is coming. Then also you can move on. So we are talking about agency, a little brief about me also. So if you need branding and solution department on your company, you can move with me. I will be giving a complete solution for graphic design and marketing from my side to you. So let's move ahead. So now the fourth step comes. So here is it. The 5 point hiring test. Yeah. Before saying yes to any candidate, you have to qualify them on five essential parameters. And now, what are these five essential parameters? I will be going to tell you that. So, number one, are they aligned with the company's vision? Number second, are they focused or not? Number third, do they bring energy? This is very important. The one should be a man or woman of very very high energy, with focus on right work. है ना? Energy, if not focused rightly, it is just a waste of time. So can they number four, can they execute independently, है ना? Certainly I saw sometime that the owners or the top employees are holding employees like babies in their initial steps. So it is yeah, you can do it if you are hiring freshers, but for an good hire, for an hire of good position at good position, you have to check, can they execute independently or not, है ना? Number fifth, are they an A category candidate? What does that mean, you will be asking, है ना? Do they have potential to be the top performers or not? So you have, these are five essential parameters I gave you. So you have to go through that, then only you should say yes to any candidate. Now I tell you everything that you should go, that you should go with to hire anybody. So the last part, hiring smart. Yeah, what I if I say you, I can make you hire a very good man, a very good whatever position you are needing for, and at very good with very good skill set at affordable rates. Yeah, no, it is not about paying less. It is about paying at the right at the right space at the right value. You should know that how to do that. Yeah, I have also mentioned this step in my previous videos too, because this is very important. Now, what you can do is, let's say you want to hire a software developer in US. Let's say you are in US, and there you pay around $100 an hour for that, or and that same task can be done in India without compromising the quality, can be done in India in $25 an hour. So it is all about paying less. It is about paying smartly, hiring smartly. So you can also hire from the geographies with less currency values, less currency rates, which can make you save your money. So you can set up a whole department where in US, if you will hire, it will take you, let's say you want to hire 10 people, it will take you around $50,000 a month. And if you will do that same hire in India, or let's say I don't know others growing economy in India, or let's say Bangladesh, a neighboring country, or let's say Nepal. So in that area, in that countries, it will take around $20,000 a month. So it is, difference is very clear. Now it is about 60% difference in the rates without compromising the quality. Yeah, I said you have to negotiate properly. You have to see the past background. You have to check, can they bring value to me or not? Are they solving my bottleneck or not? You have to go through these all. Then only you should hire someone, because it is very important. It is a long-term strategy that you have to go with. Then only you should take action, because having wrong people on your side can destroy you, and having good people on your side can make you like very great, huh? It can make your growth 5x 10x, because people's you are average of five people you spend your time with, or so those five people should be very productive, should be very skilled. Your team should be very skilled, and we see the entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, Jay Bezos, what level of skill set they will be holding. Yeah, an entrepreneur is not holding knowledge that only he knows. He also owns that knowledge that his employees are having, because he's hiring them, he is giving them money. So yeah, he owns that knowledge. So he has access to that brief knowledge, vast knowledge. So it is very important to have right people on the side. So this is all about this video. I hope that you got some value from this video, and sorry for any mistake I did. So yeah, let's connect if you want to apply these steps in a business. If you want digital marketing services, if you want graphic designing services mainly. So I can hire employees here. I can help you with that. So let's get started. Let's be the part of this journey. Yeah. Thank you.